Okay, folks, so the real lesson from this is that in any agroforestry system, it's like a friend of mine I recently said very cleverly, is that there's a lot going on about how are we going to survive? How are we going to survive global warming, climate collapse, all these horrible things that are happening? And it's not just about humans doing more with less. We need to do more with less, more cleverly. And agroforestry is one of the most clever things that humans have ever devised as a way to live in what a lot of people think of as a very inhospitable climate, believe it or not. We can't really grow annual crops here. You can't grow wheat, you can't grow corn, you can't grow soy, but what we can grow are tree crops. And for thousands of years, for millennia before Christopher Columbus came to this continent, the very, very clever people of this land, the Amerindians, really devised extremely clever agroforestry systems that allowed their civilization to actually thrive and prosper much more than we thought possible in the past. So what's really important about this is that the most clever thing I think about agroforestry, not just growing things on trees, is that you can grow things in a succession of trees. So how an agroforestry farm, it really is a farm that produces food and valuable goods, differs from a forest, like a regular old native forest, natural forest, is that in an agroforestry system, it never quite reaches that point of climax and decay. Once a forest climaxes, it starts to decay. And a forest that's in decay actually becomes ripe for disease and fire, because this is nature's way of wiping it out and starting over. Yeah, that's what the original forest fires were. I know forest fires are a terrible thing these days because they're usually man-made, but forest fires start in decaying forests. So an agroforestry farm, because it can be cleverly managed by mindful, thoughtful, thinking, peaceful, cooperative humans, if we choose to be that way, we can actually manage forests in a way that they can continue to be healthy and productive over much longer periods of time. The Amazonian civilizations here in South America, if you find where their earthen mounds are, where they have the greatest concentration of people, you also find the most luxuriant growth in the forest around, and the greatest number of edible species in those trees. 138 edible species in the Amazon. That did not happen by accident. So agroforestry is very clever, and it's one of the ways that we as humans, if we adopt it, can survive this terrible calamitous period in our history by doing more with less, more cleverly with agroforestry.
Hey folks, so thank you so much if you've subscribed. We recently hit 500 subscribers, little tiny milestone here on YouTube. So if you want to help the channel grow, that is the best way to do it. Please subscribe and help us hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. YouTube's already got ads on all my videos, so please help us get to 1,000. We also have a Patreon page, and that is what helps to fund these videos, pay for our internet, my time and energy out here making these videos for you guys, because we really want to spread the word about agroforestry. So please check out our Patreon, lots of exclusive benefits up there for you as well.